Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you enable your pocket mode setting in your Redmi phone device. Guys, you want to enable your pocket mode means guys you want to on your pocket mode setting in your Redmi phone. So guys, you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to enable pocket mode in your Realme phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to enable it. Then guys scroll lock screen setting guys, tap here and guys scroll. Then guys you can see your pocket mode. So you want to enable means on, so you can on from right side lock touch gesture when placed in a pocket. So your pocket mode will enable in your Redmi phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable pocket mode in Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go ahead and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.